Hey guys, what's up? It's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video unboxing the FabFitFun Fall 2018 box. Woo! That was a mouthful. So I partnered with FabFitFun for this video. Thank you for sending me this box. And you guys can use my code LOLO10 at checkout for $10 off your first box, which is awesome. So I'm gonna show you all, if I can hold this box, all the amazing goodies that are gonna be inside. Before we get into that, take the time now to subscribe and like this video if you like watching my videos. And also I want to start getting to know you guys who follow me, so if you want a shout out, I'm gonna start doing a shout out every video. So if you want a shout out, comment down below and be like, hey, I want a shout out or something. Or you can comment on my Instagram. So I'll be doing one from Instagram and one from YouTube every video. So say what's up, say hello, and I'll shout you out, girl. All right, so now let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so when you first open the box, I've already opened it, but it has all of this stuff inside. I love the packaging, it's so cute. So let's just get into it, shall we? So inside comes with like a FabFitFun magazine. Tells you about all the products that are in your box. So first we got some Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. We got 2 of these. I love face masks. They are my favorite because you just slap them on. And then, wait, is this even a face? Yeah, it's a face mask. So you just slap them on, chill, take them off. So easy. I love Glam Glow. Super excited about these. Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. So this was what it looks like in the box. It's free from skin aging toxins. There's no sulfate, no like hard chemicals, no fragrance. So this is cool. Repairing day cream. Like a moisturizer, I'm assuming. I think it's so cool that all the products in these boxes are full size. Yeah. Next, we got a teapot because it's about to be fall and you gotta drink your spices and your teas and everything. I don't know. But I do really love tea and I don't have a teapot here in my apartment, so this is perfect. Let's open her up. Oh, I'm a little teapot. This is cute. I mean, it has all the stuff in here. So you put your tea in there, put it in here. Cute. Can you put this on the stove? Probably not, Lauren, probably not. So that's really cute. I'll definitely be using that this fall. Ooh, we got some yoga detox bath. I feel like, should I just turn this down a little? Dang. Let me turn this down a little, dang. Can you see it now? So yeah, this is a yoga bath or detox, like bath salts. So it's made with Mediterranean sea salts, goji berry extracts. So I take a bath every day, sometimes twice a day, because I love bath. That's my time to meditate, to chill out, to just have my low time. So these will definitely be used like tonight. To go along with the bath theme, we have some Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. This is Cobalt. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like, so it's made with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. And it smells just like that. So, a beauty blender. You can never have too many of these. I hate washing my beauty blenders. I actually don't really use beauty blenders anymore. I mostly use Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge. But I love beauty blenders, so this is just like a light pink one. So cute, so cute. Then we got some snacks in here. Hello, I didn't know I was gonna be getting some snacks in this box, but this is a Luna bar in it's salted caramel nut, organic, and then it came with a little coupon for $3 off a box from Amazon. Yum! This will just be going in my purse for when I need a snack. And if we continue on, next thing is this Crown Pro for Pros by Pros brush set. Let's open it. Nice like little leather case. And you open it up and you have all these brushes. That's super cool. See how they feel. Ooh, feels really nice and soft. Yeah, I like it. You can never have enough brushes, am I right? So this is cute. I might not even unpack this. I might just leave it just like this and then throw it in my travel bag so I don't have to like repack brushes. So this is perfect. Next, to go along with fall, we have a towel. I don't know what that has to do with it being fall. Oh, it's two like hand towels. These are nice. These will be going in my kitchen as a little decoration. Last but not least is an umbrella from Catherine Melandrino. I live in LA, it never rains, but the occasional time it does, you need an umbrella. So it's an automatic, I love these. Is it bad luck to open a umbrella inside? Well, I'm going to do it anyways. Here we go. Oh, and no fall showers for you. No one wants to get those edges messed up or have your mascara running. It's cute. I like the flowers, the pattern. I wish it would automatically close, but it doesn't. Oh, shoot. Okay, go in. I must not be doing this right. You know what it is? I left the plastic on right here, and I can't close it because it's in the way. And thank you again to FabFitFun. I love all these products. I will be testing them out and telling you what I think on my Instagram story. I post on my Instagram story once a day. So if you're not following me on Instagram, at Lolo Saunders, do that because I will be posting me using these products, how I feel about them, all that good stuff. Okay, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.